Teachings of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha, also known as Siddhartha Gautam, founded Buddhism, a major world religion. His teachings, known as the dharma, provide a guide to ending suffering and attaining enlightenment. Here are the core teachings of Gautam Buddha. 4 Noble Truths. The truth of suffering, dukkha. Life is filled with suffering, including pain, illness, loss, and dissatisfaction. The truth of the cause of suffering, samudaya. Suffering is caused by desire, attachment, and ignorance. The truth of the end of suffering, nirodha. It is possible to end suffering by overcoming desire and attachment. The truth of the path to the end of suffering, magga. The path to end suffering is the Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path. Right understanding. Understanding the 4 Noble Truths. Right intent. Commitment to ethical and mental self-improvement. Right speech. Speaking truthfully and kindly. Right action. Behaving ethically and avoiding actions that cause harm. Right livelihood. Earning a living in a way that does not harm others. Right effort. Cultivating positive states of mind and eliminating negative ones. Right mindfulness. Developing awareness of the body, feelings, and mind. Right concentration. Practicing meditation to achieve a focused and tranquil mind. Additional teachings. The 3 marks of existence. Impermanence, anicca. Everything in life is transient. Suffering, dukkha. Life inherently involves suffering. Non-self, anatta. There is no permanent, unchanging self. The 5 precepts. Ethical guidelines for lay Buddhists. Abstain from taking life. Abstain from taking what is not given. Abstain from sexual misconduct. Abstain from false speech. Abstain from intoxicants that cloud the mind. Dependent origination, pratityasamutpada. The principle that all phenomena arise in dependence upon other phenomena. Everything is interconnected. Key practices. Meditation, central to Buddhist practice for developing mindfulness, concentration, and insight. Mindfulness, being present and fully engaged with the current moment. Compassion and loving kindness, metta. Cultivating a heart of compassion and wishing well-being for all sentient beings. These teachings are aimed at helping individuals achieve nirvana, the ultimate goal in Buddhism, which is the cessation of suffering and the liberation from the cycle of birth and death, samsara.